Come test drive the 2019 Audi S3. The Audi S3 comes standard with the Quattro all-wheel drive system and offers the control that you'd expect out of it. Couple the control with the power the Audi S3 provides, and you have a vehicle that is truly a joy to drive. Take a seat inside the S3 and you'll see an interior that's refreshingly simple, yet extremely refined. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, braking assist, autonomous braking, rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.